Hello everyone, this is Parul from Build with Innovation. We are a Delhi based software company. We develop e commerce app and website on subscription basis. We do not sell the source code. Our aim is to help you bringing the business online at a very affordable price. We provide you app, website, delivery app, manager app, admin panel for managing your business online, and support level for complete 1 year. Let's get into the features we have. So the first feature which we have is the order management feature. In order management feature, you can manage all the things related to the orders you have. So you can manage the cancel order, returned orders, and order confirmed, payment pending. So you can manage all the order related things. Generation of invoice comes under this particular section only, and you can manage the orders from here. Then catalog inventory management is related to, like, you can add the categories, you can add the brand subcategories, products, you can add the single variant and multivariant products, and you can also create the subscription products. Then messages and broadcast messages, so you can send one-on-one messages to your users, as well as you can send broadcast message to your users, which will be sent it collectively to them. This will come as a push notification. Content management and design studio, so this feature is for creating a design according to your choice for the website. You can completely change the look of your website. You can change the header style. You can change the category style, subcategory style, and brand style. Then multi-role management. So as an admin, you can create admins, you can create delivery agents, managers, customers, and retailers and vendors. And you can export the data into the Excel sheet. Extensive reports and analytics. So in this, like, you can manage all your reports. You can see the sales and revenues generated based on any certain criteria which is mentioned over here. So you can manage your reports. Then you can have the feature of promotional. So in promotional feature, you can create coupon codes, you can create the cashback and wallet settings, offers you can create, refer and earn you can do, promo pop-up you can create, then special offer pages there, app wallet settings are there, membership plans you can create, limited time deal you can create. Service management for providing services. So in service management, like, as we create products, same way you can create the services. If you provide any services like the mobile repairing services, AC services, medicine services, so you can add that. Business to business features. So in business to business features, you can add the wholesalers and the retailer platform. You can give different pricing to wholesaler and different to retailers. You can give the feature of price request, like when the retailer will request, you can access the request and then they'll able to see the prices. You can also have the feature of quotation system, where they can ask you for the quote and you can provide them quote accordingly. Then multi-vendor system. So in multi-vendor system, like, for example, you have certain vendors who want to list on your platform and want to sell on your platform. So you as an admin can allow them and you will get a certain commission from them and they'll able to sell on your platform. So you can add the vendors, you can manage the vendors, you can set different commissions for them. Extensive intra-city delivery features. So this is for managing all your deliveries, whether they are in kilometer or they are in weight. You can manage the delivery slots, you can manage instant delivery, pin code wise delivery, area wise delivery, store pickup. So everything related to delivery you can manage from here. Then we have multi-city intra-city delivery feature. So in this, like, one way is you can have your own delivery agents, and the other way is you can have the ShipRocket integration. Using the ShipRocket integration, you can like, create order in ShipRocket and then the ShipRocket will deliver it to the customer itself. Then we have multi-payment options. So in multi-payment options, you can add everything related to payment here. Cash on delivery you can add certain integrations like Razorpay, Cashfree and Paytm. Also, you can add the Cashfree and PayPal Stripe integration. You can add the UPI integration. You can add the pay by check. So everything you can manage related to the payments here. SMS, email, WhatsApp and push notifications. So for orders, SMS notification will be there, email notification will be there, WhatsApp notification will be there, app push notifications will be there. Twilio integration for SMS, email and WhatsApp messages will be there. Then build an SEO in website. So in our admin panel, there is a section for adding the SEO details, whether for the website or for the product or for the category. So you can manage the SEO in the website. Multi-city and multi-region system. This is for when you want to showcase different categories in different regions. So you can deal in the multi-region system. So we have that platform for you. You can add multi-regions, you can add pin codes of different regions, and you can categorize different categories in different regions. Advanced search with AI. So advanced searching for products is there. Everything is advanced. Advanced related product feature is there. Then search report basis on the user is there. So everything is advanced with AI. Reselling feature. So this is related to reselling. Like if someone want to become your reseller and want to sell your products, so you can make them reseller and they'll have a certain commission. So reselling platform is also there. This feature is also available. Pick and drop feature. So pick and drop feature is for the companies and startups which provide pick and drop services to the customer, picking from one end and delivering to the other end. So you can add pickup address, destination address, and pay delivery amount. Multiple countries and currencies feature. So if you want to deal in countries and currencies, so you can have that feature too. So you can mention the different countries you want to go with, different currencies you want to have, and we can do that accordingly. Multi languages. App and website available in 26 different languages. So according to your language, you can choose the language and go for that. Weekly backups and reliability. More than 99% availability of system. You can take the weekly backups, daily backups on request. So for securing your data or for keeping it in backup, you can take the backups. Content creation. So you can create the banners from the admin panel. You can create the categories and brand image. Product upload with images and description you can add. Feature video with PDFs creation for system. So videos you can add, PDFs you can add. Then social media marketing. So social media marketing is a extra service which we have. If you want to take the social media marketing plan, so we have for you like online and offline marketing strategies there, organic post and stories on Instagram is there, organic post and videos on Facebook is there, paid marketing post on Facebook and Instagram, and Google ads are there. So that's all about the features which we have. Now let's have a look on the admin panel. By admin panel, you can manage your business online. You can manage everything from this admin panel. The first section is the manage order section. In orders, you can manage all your orders. Like you can manage all the order statuses and order related things from here. Then in appointments, you'll be able to see all the appointments which are made by the user. So in case you want to reject it, you can also reject that. Then we have the messages section. So in messages section, you'll be able to send individual messages to the user, or in case you want to send a broadcast message, so that message can be sent it from the broadcast message. Then we have the catalog section. So once you'll click on the catalog section, you'll be able to see the product category and the brands. For creating the products, you'll be able to create the products from here. You'll be able to add new products. You'll be able to add the bulk products if you want to add through import product option. And for making any changes to the existing products, you'll be using the export product option. Then we have the categories. So for creating the categories, you'll be able to create the categories as well as the subcategories for the particular product from here. Then we have brand section. So in case you have some brands with you, so you can create those brands here. Then we have the service section. So in case if you are providing some services, so you can create services from here. And all the service requests which you will be getting from the user will be appearing here. Once you'll complete that, they will go in the completed section. Then we have out of stock products. So in out of stock product, you will be able to see the listing of all the products which are out of stock. Product reviews. So you'll be able to see the product reviews you are getting and you can approve them, and then it will be visible to the users. Then we have form submissions. So in form submissions, all the forms submitted by the users, you'll be able to view them. You'll be able to view the details which you have asked, like, to your user. So you'll be able to see the form submissions. Then we have design studio. So in design studio, you will be able to manage the design studio for the website. You'll be able to change the themes, the header, the foot. You'll be able to change the header styles. You can change. You can change the pages, like look of your pages, home page, and all the things which are there. So you can change the look of your website, themes of your website. Then multi vendor. So in multi vendor, you will be able to do the vendor settings. Then you'll able to manage the vendors. You can add the vendor manually, and you can edit the vendor. You can manage their details. After that, vendor registration form. So you can also develop a vendor registration form which will be visible to the users, and then they can make the vendor registration form request. Then we have the user section. So in user section, you'll be able to see all the users which are registered or login into the website since day one. You'll be able to change the role for them. You'll be able to see the details regarding that user, or you can message that user as well. Then in the reports section, you will be able to see all the reports generated, like all the reports related to the sales category, products, brands, and other criteria. You can view them. In the pages section, you'll be able to create the pages, like all the banners, all the product browser, everything you can create from this home page. Image banner you can create, shop by category, shop by brands, everything can be created from here. Then in the settings, you'll be able to do all the settings, like appointment settings you can do. You can make the appointment schedules. In contact page setting, you'll be able to add the store address of yours, the email address, and the phone number. In FAQs, you'll be able to add the FAQs, frequently asked questions, which are related to your business. In the delivery setting, you will be able to manage the delivery, default delivery, free delivery, like all the delivery related settings you'll be finding here. Then payment settings. So in payment settings, you'll be able to manage all the payment related things, like whether the Razorpay integration, cash free, and the Paytm integration, or adding minimum and maximum order amount. So everything will be related to the payment settings. In system settings, you'll be able to add all the details related to your business, like your store name, phone number, pin code, everything related to your store, login details. Order section, you'll be able to add the order related things here. In invoice section, you'll be able to add details regarding the invoice which is generated. And in social, you'll be able to add the social links which will be integrated in the website and app itself. Then in the wallet settings, you'll be able to manage the wallet and the cashback settings, and you can create the cashbacks from here. Then SMS and email integrations. So you can add the link the SMS and email with the SandGrid and Twilio by creating account on them, and then you can integrate with SMS and email. In multi-region, you'll be able to add the regions. Like in case if you want to make the regions like Delhi and Mumbai, and adding the pin codes of the related regions, then you can do it multi-region wise, and you can do it pin code and area wise both. Then we have subscription. So you can create subscription if you have any. You can add the subscriptions, like how much daily, monthly, and weekly deliveries will be. Pick and drop. So in pick and drop, you'll be able to add the pickup location, delivered location, pickup address, delivered address, related info. In the filters, you'll be able to create the filters from here. In website SEO, you'll be able to add the page title, description, keywords, social media titles, and things related to SEO. In ShipRocket settings, you'll be able to integrate the ShipRocket with your system by adding the things here. In language setting, you will be able to add the languages. Then custom code, you can add the meta tags and everything related to the codes. Then promotional feature, so here you can create the coupon codes. If you want to make any coupon codes for your users, you can create coupon codes. Free product, if you want to create, you can create the free product. Promo pop-up, if you want to create a pop-up which will appear when someone will come to your website, so he'll be able to see the pop-up. Then membership plans for your users, you can create several membership plans you can create. After that, we have offers, so you can create the offers showcasing some percentage of discount. Then refer and earn, so in refer and earn, you'll be able to add the referrer and referee amount of cashback. After that, wholesale feature, so like to whom you are making the retailer from the user section, you'll be able to see the retailer from here, like all the retailer list will appear here. And the price request feature is for like if you don't want to show the prices to your retailer, so in that case they will request for the prices, and once you'll give the approval, then only the prices will be reflected. About us and policy, so in this you can add about page, about us, about your business, then details about that. Then we have terms and privacy, so in that you can add terms and conditions, privacy policy, cancellation policy, refund and shipping policy. After that, in profile you'll be able to see the name and phone number of yours. Then in feedback, you will be able to see all the feedbacks which you are getting from the users. In app usage, you'll be able to see the usage of app. Legacy and depreciated features, so in this you'll be able to see the banners. All the web banners and the app banners will be reflecting here, and you can edit them in if you want, or you can change the status to on and off accordingly. Then you can create the promo video if you want to make. And lastly, you will be able to add the bestseller products, all the products which are there. If you want to make your bestseller products, so you can do that from here. Now let's take a look on the plans which we have. So basically we have three plans. The first plan which we have is the light plan, starting from 5,000 per year. Second plan which we have is the plus plan, 10,000 per year. And the third plan which we have is the premium plan, 20,000 per year. First plan, you'll get a website. In second plan, you'll get an app and website. In third plan, you'll be getting app, Android app, iOS app and website. Let's take a look on the first plan. So in first plan, you will be able to get the feature of order management, inventory management, catalog management, bulk export and import, text management, in-app messaging and broadcast messages, coupon codes, wallet and cashback settings, service management, payment integrations, SMS, email, WhatsApp integrations, push notifications, extra charges for SMS and WhatsApp messages, SEO management, advanced search with AI, self-content setup. And in the first plan, the product limit will be 3,000. Broadcast message limit will be once in 24 hours. Reports will be basic. Design customization will be basic. Support level, you'll get support level 48 hours on WhatsApp, within 48 hours on WhatsApp group, email and call, and 18% GST extra on any payments. Let's take a look on the second plan. In second plan, you'll be getting an Android app and website. All the light plan features will be there, as well as free product feature, limited time deal feature, refer and earn, business to business wholesale and retail pricing. So if you are looking for a wholesale and retail pricing platform and business to business platform, so you can go with this plus plan. The features, further feature which we have is business to business pricing and discount slabs. So different pricing you can give, discount slabs you can create, Catalog share option is there. Ship Rocket integration is there in the Plus plan. Multi languages is there. Delivery by weight feature is there. Edit order. Product rating and comments. Self-contained setup, and product limit here it's 5,000. Reports will be intermediate. Broadcast message limit, you will be able to send 2 times in 24 hours. Design customization will be intermediate. Android app charges will be 1,000 rupees, that will be one time and lifetime publishing cost. Support level 24 hours, within 24 hours on WhatsApp group, email and call. 18% GST will be extra on any payments. Let's take a look on the third plan. Third plan is the premium plan, 20,000 per year. All the light plan and the plus plan features will be there. Apple app, Android app and website will be provided. And you'll be getting membership plan feature, subscription product feature, manual order creations, business to business quotation systems, price request feature, delivery by kilometer, partial payment for orders, self-contained setup, product limit. Here the product limit is 10,000. Reports will be advanced. Broadcast message limit 3 times in 24 hours. Apple publishing cost 6,000 one time, that is for lifetime. Design customization will be advanced. Support level within 12 hours on WhatsApp group, email and call. And 18% GST extra on any payment. The other plan which we have is the custom plan. So custom plan is for like if you want to take any of these features, so we can club it into the premium plan with some extra costing. Content setup, multi-city, multi-region, multi-vendors. Like if you have multiple vendors, so you can just let us know the limit of vendors you want and we will provide you the estimate accordingly. Real-time delivery navigation feature, like if you want that GPS feature, so we can do that. Reselling feature, pick and drop, multi-countries and currency feature, product limit custom, like if you have more than 10,000 products, so we can do custom for you. Design customization, if you want to do the design customization according to your choice, if you have certain requirements, so we can do it accordingly. Social media marketing, like it's a service which we provide, extra service. We have plans for the social media marketing as well, and 18% GST extra on any payments. Apart from these plans which we have, if you have any other requirements in customization, so you can let us know. In our client section, you'll able to see all our existing clients. Now let's have a look on our existing clients website. This website is related to bathroom fitting, so you can see how they have designed their website. They have added the banner sliders, they have added the image banners. Everything can be managed from the backend itself, from the admin panel. So you can add the content accordingly on the app and website both. The next website which we have is related to gifting. Personalized gifting for men and women for any special occasions which you have. So this website is related to gifting, and here we have displayed the banner sliders. Then you can see the image banners. Basically this website is designed by our team, Build with Innovation. If you want to design the banners and the designing of your website from us, so we can do that by charging you some extra cost. It is extra chargeable. We can make the banners accordingly, according to the content which you want, and we can also design it according to your choice. So this is the website look. The next website which we have is related to grocery, dry fruits. Grocery, dry fruits, oil and ghee and other daily essentials. So You can see that you can add the image banners, you can add the product browser, you can add shop by category, shop by brands, according to your choice. This website is related to restaurants, so they have listed certain restaurants as their vendors. So you can see that they have mentioned the restaurants. So if you have a multi-vendor platform, if you want a vendor platform like Swiggy and Zomato, so that is also possible. So this website is related to furniture. This is a look of the website. Thank you. This was all about the services which we provide. If you have any queries, you can drop the queries into the comment section or you can contact us on the given number. Thank you so much.